Hello brothers and sisters, today I will show you a new watch in my collection, but definitely not a new piece. This is a SEIKO diver watch. We'll show you soon what is the exact piece, but the point is this is a collector piece. So let's start with a little unboxing because this is in a real good condition. Here we go, the SEIKO outer paper box. Let's remove it. Here is the inner SEIKO box, and inside we found the booklets and the warranty card and some additional pins. The piece we are talking about is from Japan, and as you check, nearly there are only Japanese characters on the warranty cards and the booklets. That is why this is a collector piece, because this watch was sold only in the Japanese market. So let's see the watch, and yes, here we go. So this is a SEIKO SCUBA automatic SBDC003, or we can call it SUMO or BLUMO. And this is the back how the watch arrives. Nice little textile inning, and let's talk about the timepiece. Here we go. So why is this piece is a collector one, a collector edition maybe? The reason is this SUMO is from 2010 or 9 maybe. This was created and manufactured only for Japanese market, so it wasn't possible to buy outside Japan. And the one thing what is showing this is that if you look at the dial, because the Scuba is of course is in production today too, so if it would be a newer piece or a piece what was sent to the international market, an X alphabet character should be seen on the dial over the automatic side. But at this moment in the history, so in 2009 and 2010, it was already a Prospex serial watch, but there was no X on the dial. Anyway, Prospex mean professional specification, so it was designed to use for professional divers. The watch is 200 water resistant, written on the dial too, and the dial and the bezel is very dark blue. Of course, it's depending on the color, the lights. So if we go outside and the sun is shining strongly, this dark blue will be much brighter. The bezel is a painted bezel, so not ceramic, what is not too surprising from 2009 or 2010, but it's very nice and working smoothly, as you see. Of course, unidirectional rotating because this is a baddest diver piece. And here is the screwing crown at the 4 o'clock position. That helps you wear the watch more comfortable. You see, you can move the hands with this. The movement here is a SEIKO 6R15, what is an automatic movement, but you can wind it with the crown too, and there is a date complication, of course, as you see. And here we go, we can change the date and we can screw it back. Okay, a very nice stainless steel bracelet. Not the best, I can say. So it's an old style claps here, but working perfectly. The watch is 44.5 millimeters wide in case, so it's a big timepiece, but it's very comfortable. And I ruined the bracelet somehow, but never mind. So this is it, how it would look on my wrist. So it's a big timepiece, but not too big. And what is really beautiful is the finishing of the case, because it's not Zaratsu polishing, of course, but it's a little bit similar. There are different shapes and polished and brushed parts, what gives a very nice shine and very nice touch of this case. So it's a better stool watch, but it looks like elegant and artistic in its own Seiko way, I guess, and we can tell the same about this bracelet. And of course, it wouldn't be a Seiko video without a loom shot, so I will show you how the watch is acting in the dark. No LED lamps or any. The watch was in the box, and this how strong was it uploaded during these 7 minutes. Okay, you can already see nearly not too dark in this room, but the loom is already shining super bright. This is one of the superpowers of the Seiko dial watches. Strong, long lasting enough, and very cool. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you later.